Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. A special thank you to all of my outstanding Patreons for your continued encouragement and support. Patreon members get access to hundreds of high-resolution photos, previews of the future material, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps as well. Thank you. For today's video, we'll be looking at all the construction sites around the entire Tesla property, and this updates the discussion I had on my 10 February video. So just to ground everybody, the red outline is the 2,518 acres of Tesla property. The green is the original Phase 1 construction as called for on the site plan. You can see here an overlay of what the factory foundation, the primary factory foundation looks like. And with the inset photo, this is how it looks like pretty recently, within the last day or so ago. And then with the dotted line on that image, you can see approximately where that Phase 1 construction area was originally. So we're going to be looking at 10 different areas around the site and one additional bonus one. And the whole goal here is just to get everybody up to speed with what all is being constructed and where along Tesla's property. Starting with Area 1, which is in the very far southwest across the highway, we see that very recently the land clearing has resumed, and that's being done by Ranger. And then you can see with the dotted line approximately what that outline area is. And related to Area 1 is also Area 2, which is across the highway as well. The last couple months we've been seeing some of the land clearing in preparation for that particular area. And reports from the Austin Business Journal is that this is going to be a Starlink for SpaceX facility. So I don't know if these two areas are considered one big area or two separate ones. So I'm kind of covering them as separate for right now. Area number 3 is right on the east side from the stamping machine facility, and this is also where the mobile corrugated pipe plant is currently located. You can see the outline about where this area would be, and we're not completely sure if this is going to be a water treatment area or not. Area 4 is on the very far east side. This used to be where the contractor trailers were located until they got moved to the east parking lot area by the power lines. Right now it's being used for a lot of storage and other purposes. We're not sure what this is going to be. Area 5 is the reported battery cathode and lithium hydroxide plant location. A lot of recent activity to continue leveling this area and remove the ponds has been underway. You can see the outline of this particular area, and we'll continue to monitor to see if the construction begins. Area 6 is an area that was excluded from the original Phase 1 plan, as you can see, and it's been turned into a giant parking lot temporary for construction workers and employees. I'm not sure what the final disposition of this particular area is going to be yet. Area 7, just south of the old plant, has turned into the switchyard or the substation for electricity. Not sure if this is temporary or permanent, because there was some discussion about both. So we'll have to see how that goes, but you can see where the outline of this area is located. Area 8 is the area where there used to be a small house just south of the Martin Marietta concrete batch plant. That was removed, and now it looks like it's going to be a temporary road for the Harold Green removal and grading project. You can see in the area here where it's located. Area 9 is that large triangular area, plus also a recent pond that's being filled up, and also the mobile batch plant for concrete. This area was originally done in the August through November timeframe, but not much work has been done until recently, where they started filling it with fill dirt. Area 10 is a relatively new area where there is some excavation or at least land clearing going on. It's located just north of the main factory area, and you can see in the image. I've been told by contractors that there is going to be some sort of structure constructed here, but I do not know what it is at this time. The last area I'd like to talk about briefly is the old production plant. As you can see, it's been used as a temporary storage and other facility for a while, but that's coming to an end now. So I'm not sure what the final disposition is. I believe it will be demolished, and who knows, this could be the location for the permanent switchyard if that is the plan, but I don't know at this point in time. So that's a very quick overview of 10 different areas plus the old plant around the Tesla property of what's kind of going on at this point in time, or at least what we do know. Just keep in mind that this is rapidly changing and details are constantly in flux as final details are being changed almost on a daily basis. But anyway, the whole goal of this is to try to just give you an idea of what is going on around the site, what may be happening, and just to give into context what you see with the drone flights. I hope you found this helpful. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.